friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is C++ function sum of numbers. So now we open this question. This question is very simple. Here given three numbers A, B and C, you have to write a function named calculate sum which takes three numbers as an argument and return their sum. So first in the input line contain T which denote the number of test cases. Then this is not a part of this code. So here we will use simple approach. First we will return statement. Here we add these given three elements, and we will return the sum of these three elements. So first we can directly write this code: return A plus B plus C. Now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now we check all test cases. So submit this code. So the code is successfully compiled and all the test cases successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.